So in this video you have tan A divided by secant A equals to sine A. So you will see that the most complicated side is the left side, tan A divided by secant A. What you need to do, you need to convert it to sine and cosine. So what I can write here, I can say it's sine A divided by cosine A divided by secant A. Secant is 1 over cosine A. And see, cosine and cosine cancel out, and you will have only sine. Another method to do that, you can write tan A multiplied by 1 over secant A. Tan is sine A divided by cosine A. Inverse of secant is cosine A, because secant itself is the inverse of cosine. So cosine cancel out, it's going to be sine A. Okay. There is another method to do that. We can have tan A equal over secant A equals to sine A. What you need to do, you can multiply these two together, cross multiplication. You have sine A times secant A. Secant is 1 over cosine A, so we have sine A divided by cosine A. That will be equal to tan A. So as you have it here, that's the same thing basically.